Hi everybody, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My furry sidekicks are with me. Wait, come on. Wyatt was on the floor. He had his toy from his bark box. Can you say hi everybody? Say hi. Say hi everybody. Yep. And Xena is here. Can you say hi? Okay, you might hear squeaking. Wyatt has his toy. I'm sorry. So thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you taking some time out of your day to be with me and my furry sidekicks. This is my 100th video. I can't believe it. And my very first video was a StitchFix unboxing, and my 100th video is going to be a StitchFix unboxing. So if you like those videos, please keep watching. I am really nervous about this unboxing because my stylist Jess said that she might be on vacation for my next fix. So can't wait to see what's in here. StitchFix is a subscription clothing service or styling service. You get 5 items based on your profile, and it ranges from shoes, clothing, jewelry, accessories. I have opted out of accessories and just asked for clothing and shoes. I don't think there's any shoes in this box. So you do right inside the box. It tells you what to do next whenever you get StitchFix. I will put my referral code down below in case you'd like to give it a try. If you use my code, you will get $25 credit towards your next box, and I get $25 credit as well. So it's a win-win. I think I do have $25 credit, so somebody used my referral link and gave me a credit for this box. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Here is the inside of my box. So you do get an envelope with all kinds of information in it. You'll get style cards with pictures of the items and ideas on how to wear them, as well as a note from your stylist. We'll check out the items before we see if I have the same stylist or not. It is free shipping both ways. Anything you don't love, you just stick back in the bag and return it, which I don't see one here. Uh-oh. Here's my bundle. Maybe it's wrapped up inside here somewhere. And if you do keep all, there is a 25% discount. Oh, look at Xena. She thinks there might be something there for her. Sorry, baby. She's so high off her bark box unboxing we just had, huh? All right, let's see. First up is by Harper Lane. And it is a little, looks like a boatneck top, little boatneck sweater. I think that's 3/4 sleeve. And it's black, so that's not bad. Next up is another top. And this one is by Rainn. I think you get a Rainn top in every one of my boxes. That's not bad. It's black with a little bit of this. It has a tie back and that little bit of lace in the back. Okay. Next, something pink. Oh, and this is soft. This is by Market and Spruce. Light pink. This is a very soft top. Light pink, and it has this little knot at the bottom of the sleeve, and it's all open. So this is normally like basically the color of my skin in the winter. It's really that pale usually. So I'm not sure about that, but we'll see what that looks like. Oh, and this is Liverpool jean jacket in pink, which I did like in the style game and request. So also normally the color of my skin, but I figured I would be wearing something underneath it. So I think I love this already. I got the black one. This is different than the black one. It's not the same material, but this is very cute. I like this. It's not as thick as the black one. but this is really cute. Okay, I can't wait to try that on. So this is a black and pink themed fix. Okay, last up is a pair of coated pants from, it says Warp and Weft. Warp and Weft. Check that out. And this is that coated jean, I guess, black. They are very stretchy. And they're just a skinny. Okay, so let's see if Jess was my stylist, because I actually asked to either get it late or get it early based on whether or not she was available. She was my stylist. Okay, so I want to see what number this is too. This is fix number 42 for me. So it says, happy fix day, Laura. Thank you so much for giving me some time on this fix. I'm back from vacation and have some great finds for you. I struck out on the tan blazer. So I asked for two things. The pink, I asked for a pink denim jacket, and I asked for a tan colorless blazer. Those are the only two things I asked for. But I'll keep looking. Blazers are steadily coming with the fall inventory. I was able to find a pink denim jacket though. I know you like the Liverpool brand, and I thought you would love the lighter blush hue. It's the perfect partner to the Daniel Rainn. I know the Warp and Weft coated skinnies are a bit adventurous, but I thought you'd love the edgy alternative to traditional jeans. They're just fun and different and will be perfect for this fall. I know you were over the cold shoulder trend, so let me know how you feel about the sleeves on the market and Spruce top. I knew you'd adore the color and effortless style. Enjoy. XO Jess. Awesome. Okay, and then these are some of the little outfits that are paired with these in the little style cards. I like that dress with this pink jacket. That's cute right there. Alrighty, so I'm not gonna look at prices till the very end. So let's see how these items look. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the Daniel Rainn top with the coated skinny jeans. And these pants fit very well. I have thread all over me. And that's red stitching. Okay, so the pants fit very well. They, I don't know, what do you guys think of the coated? They're not stiff at all, which I thought they were going to be. I have a little bit of room in the waist, which is typical, but I don't think they're gonna move. They might be a tad long on me, but I think they're cute and they're actually very comfortable, and at least they're a switch up from normal black jeans, right? Or leggings. And I could wear these to work or casual. I put them on with my mules from my last Nordstrom haul. And then this Daniel Rainn top is cute. It fits fine. Has these little cap sleeves. Has lots of little lace detailing to it, as well as in the back. And then I will put the jacket on with it as well. Bring a little bit of light to all the black. So I think that's cute. I like the blush with the black. I think that looks really cute. And I actually like the shoes with it too. This jacket feels nice. Okay, let's try the next outfit. Okay, here's the first top that I pulled out of the box. It does have 3/4 sleeves. It's like a thin weight sweater in tunic length. It's very comfy. Not bad. Okay, one more top. Okay, the last pink top with these open arm sleeves and the little tie right here. So it's a little bit longer. What do you guys think of this look? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that sleeve. And I have a tan right now, which I will not have for very much longer. Give me like 2 weeks and I'm gonna look pretty pale. So I'm not sure. I'll have to wear a scarf or something if I keep this, because this will basically wash me out, I think, in a couple weeks. If I don't wear something, I think, with it. And it's a boat neck as well. So I'm not sure how I feel about this top right now. All right, I'll be right back for a quick wrap up. So what did you guys think of that try on? So after the try on, I'm kind of digging the whole black and blush theme she had going on here. So I think Jess did a nice job. So now let me check these prices, which is always the scary part, right? Okay. So normally there is a $20 styling fee for StitchFix, but I did the Style Pass. So I did the $49 one-time fee, which covered my Style Pass for an entire year. I'm not sure how they determine who gets offered that and who doesn't, but I did get offered it and I jumped on it. So I don't have the style fee. My total for everything is $376. My buy all discount with a 25% off would be a $94 discount for a total of $282. And I do have a $25 credit, so it'd bring the total of everything down to $257 if I kept all 5 pieces. So let's see how much everything is. Okay, so first up was the Liverpool jacket. And this I did request and I really like it. I'm not a fall person, which you guys would have picked up on if you've watched my other videos. I'm a summer girl, spring, summer, not really big into fall, winter. But what I do love about fall is that I get to wear jackets. So I tend to go crazy with jackets when the fall comes. So I know I will get wear out of this and I really like it. It's $98. So if I don't keep anything else, I would keep that and get the $25 credit off of that. So I would get that for basically, what, $73. I would keep this. So I do really like it. It is super soft. It's not really heavy, but I do think this is a really cute piece. So I'm going to keep this one for sure. Next up was the Market and Spruce top. What did you guys think of this top? So my first thought was, yeah, I didn't really like it. It is $54. So I would love to know what you guys think. Like if I were to keep all the, the other 4 pieces, then I would keep it, right? So I could get the discount, but I'm not sure about it. So I'd love to know what you guys think. Next up was the Rainn blouse. I thought this was cute. I'm not sure I need another black sleeveless, basically sleeveless top, but I thought it was pretty. And this was $68. That's a lot. Next up is the Harper Layria Boatneck lightweight sweater. And this was $58, which I thought this was a nice basic. It's not a wow item. It's just a nice soft basic sweater. So, I'd love to hear what you guys thought of that one. And then last up are the coated jeans. These are by Warp and Weft, the Susie coated skinny jean, and these were $98. And I really liked these. Are these still in? Is the coated jean still big? I don't know. I actually didn't think they were anymore, but I've been seeing them more and more. So maybe they are still in. I really thought these felt really nice on. I think they look dressier than normal, just black jeans. and I'm not sure what to do because my favorite items are these black pants and of course the denim jacket. And those two items right there are $200. So at that point, I might as well keep everything, right, for $257. Or I would get both of those for $175. Or do I just keep the jacket? Okay, so let me know what you guys think. I'm going to try to get this posted. I think this box came in yesterday, so I need to hurry up and decide what I want within 3 days. I think I'm down to 2 days now, and return the things I don't want. I did find the bag. It was hidden in the box. So I do have my bag to return whatever it is I don't love. And yeah, please comment below. Let me know what you liked and what you didn't like, if you think I should keep all or just keep the jacket, or what your favorites were. I would love to read your comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you'd consider giving me a like. And me and my sleepy sidekicks, who are literally asleep right now. Let me see if I can show you guys. Can you see them? There's Wyatt. He's sound asleep, and you can see Xena over there, who are now completely sound asleep, I think. Well, Xena just moved. She must have heard her name. We're so glad you've been tuning in for this video, and maybe 199 others. Thank you so much for all your great support. I so very much appreciate it. I can't believe I've made it to 100 videos. That seems crazy. So thank you so much. I so appreciate it. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Have an awesome day. Till next time. Bye, everybody.